I know it's back to school time for many of you, and I wanted to give you a quick and easy makeup routine to do in the mornings when you're rushing around. If you're not going back to school like me, this is still a super quick and easy routine you can use for every day. So after you've primed or moisturized or anything that you do before you actually apply makeup, your first step is going to be concealer. I also put it on my nose because I think that's cute. And I like to have them sort of stick up, so I almost look like I'm in a Glossier commercial. Today I'm doing a little bit more of a fun look just because colorful eyeshadow is really in right now, and it's super easy, honestly. Super easy to add a little bit of color, not super easy to do a really good eye look is what I'm trying to get at. Feels fabulous. Oh, except don't eat it. So the last step is my favorite step and something you don't have to do, but something I love to do, and that is faux freckles. And this is an easy way to cover any pimples. You can just make it into a freckle. And that's the finished look. This is usually what I do if I don't have a lot of time in the morning. This takes me about 15 minutes. Obviously you can mix and match steps and do whatever, use whatever colors you want, but I just thought I would give you a little idea of what to wear for back to school. Oh, apparently I had glitter on this.